Hi, my name is Sloan Davis, and today I wanted to show you a little bit of the portfolio that I have created for my visual media design class. And I just want to start by showing you a couple of my favorite projects. The first one can be found right here. It is my web page. I was able to learn HTML and CSS coding to complete this, and I used the HTML to do the basics of the design, where the paragraphs are, and kind of the structure. And then I used CSS to build a design around that, where I applied the fonts and the text spacing and grouping and color scheme and the background image that you see here. This was probably my favorite because it is something I had never done before, and I actually quite enjoyed the coding process. I would say that while this was my favorite, I probably learned the most from my montage project, and this was because it was in Adobe Photoshop, which I had not really had any prior experience with. I had used other Adobe programs, but for this project I had to find several images and put them together using the masking in the layers palette, and I had to make a cohesive design that went with a message, some sort of a religious or spiritual message. This was probably the most challenging and what I learned the most from, because it was hard for me to first conceptualize an idea and then put these images together in such a way that complemented what I was trying to say. I think that all of these projects really will be helpful in the future. I learned how to communicate a big message with very little visual cue, like with this logos project right here. I had to design logos for a company that will get a message across and let you know what you're seeing without you having to spend too much time figuring it out. It had to be very easily recognizable. And I think that many of the design principles that I have learned here will be helpful further in life. Even if I don't go into a career with this in mind, I will be able to apply them to handouts at church. They will be designed well. I will be able to create Christmas cards that are aesthetically pleasing, and things like that. I have really enjoyed my work here, and I feel that I've learned a lot, and thank you for watching.